Hello again from Smart Work. We're excited to introduce you to inspiring people and groundbreaking tools that promise to blow away every limit. Ready for a truly surprising experience? Let's go!
Gold bracelet making. Our journey begins with an obsession as old as civilization itself, gold. Melting at over 1900 degrees Fahrenheit, the metal is repeatedly annealed or softened so it can be masterfully shaped without fracturing. Humorous car eyes. But ingenuity isn't always about heavy industry. Sometimes it's just about having fun. These simple sunshades give a mass-produced machine the whimsical personality of a character straight out of a Pixar movie. Honeycomb harvesting. Now, let's see how we harness nature's own engineers. A heated knife effortlessly slices through the beeswax cappings. This doesn't just release the honey, it keeps the delicate comb structure intact for the bees to reuse. Metal lathe machining. From nature's sweetness to industrial strength. Here, a hardened steel cutter shaves ribbons off a spinning workpiece. The resulting iridescent colors aren't paint. They're a trick of the light caused by microscopically thin oxide layers. Water wall. Now this is a clever blend of engineering and interior design. A sealed acrylic panel uses a pump to circulate water and air bubbles, creating a dynamic, living partition that plays with light and motion. Soufflé pancakes. Even cooking is a form of engineering built on thermodynamics. These soufflé pancakes rely on precise heat control. Flipping them gently is crucial, as their delicate air-filled structure is what creates that signature jiggle. CNC wood carving. This is where digital design meets traditional craftsmanship. A 5-axis CNC router carves intricate details into a wood block, a task that would take a master artisan days to complete by hand, with perfect robotic repeatability. Laser metal cutting. Witness the sheer power of focused light. This fiber laser cutter uses a beam of intense energy, likely over 20,000 degrees Fahrenheit at the focal point, to vaporize steel, creating clean cuts with minimal heat distortion. Comforter compression. The magic here is vacuum packing. By removing all the air from the bag, atmospheric pressure, a surprisingly powerful 14.7 pounds on every square inch, compresses this bulky comforter into a rock-solid, shippable brick. Excavator lifting stone. This isn't just digging, it's a demonstration of pure hydraulic power. The excavator's arm acts as a massive lever, effortlessly lifting a multi-ton granite block that would have required dozens of men in a bygone era. Construction column. Now we scale up, way up. This is a choreographed ballet of multi-ton precast concrete sections. This modular approach dramatically speeds up massive infrastructure projects while improving safety and on-site consistency.
Smart sink. This integrated kitchen sink is a masterclass in utility. It features a high-pressure cup washer, multiple faucet modes, and a sliding cutting board, transforming a simple basin into a highly efficient, multi-purpose workstation. Cargo plane ramp. You're looking at the massive rear ramp of a C-5 Galaxy or similar cargo plane. The complex series of hydraulic actuators and locking mechanisms allows it to kneel and deploy, ready to swallow entire vehicles. Rice seedling mat. This is the brilliant first step in modern rice cultivation. These seedling mats are grown with such dense root structures that they become like carpets of grass, perfectly optimized for mechanical transplanting machines in the field. Sprout harvesting. In commercial hydroponics, efficiency is everything. The roots are grown through a mesh tray, making harvesting incredibly simple. A quick shave separates the edible sprouts, leaving the root mass behind for compost. Log splitter. A beautiful example of a simple machine, the screw. This cone-shaped, spinning wedge converts rotational motion from a motor into immense outward force, splitting the log along its grain with almost unstoppable power. Noodle extruder. This is a commercial noodle extruder. The machine uses a powerful piston to force dough through a die plate directly into boiling water, instantly cooking the noodles. A simple, ingenious way to produce fresh noodles on demand. Wire bending machine. From a straight wire to a complex shape in seconds. This CNC wire bender uses a series of rollers and rotating pins, all programmed to execute a precise sequence of bends, creating a perfectly repeatable part every time. Tea harvester. This specialized harvester uses a reciprocating blade, like a hedge trimmer, to shear the top layer of new tea leaves. The attached funnel and blower system then directs the cuttings into a backpack, a huge leap in efficiency. Wood shaper. Safety is paramount here. The wood is secured in a custom jig with toggle clamps. This allows the operator to safely guide the piece along the high-speed shaper blade, which carves the profile with a single, clean pass. Forging a hole. This is blacksmithing at its most fundamental. The smith uses the anvil's horn to create the curve and a flatter to smooth the surfaces, expertly shaping the red-hot steel. Each hammer blow is purposefully refining the tool's final form. Stump ripper. Meet the ripper attachment. It's an excavator tool that combines a powerful hydraulic grapple with a vibrating hammer. This allows it to simultaneously dig, tear, and shake roots free, completely obliterating the stump. Transport drones. This is the future of remote logistics. Two heavy-lift drones work in tandem, their flight controllers synchronized to maintain tension and stability. This allows them to transport long, awkward loads to otherwise inaccessible locations. Dough baller. Here, a simple mechanical principle creates a perfect result. The machine uses a rotating, cone-shaped auger inside a cylinder. This motion gently rolls the dough, forming it into uniform spheres with incredible speed. Wood friction welding. You're seeing rotational friction welding. The incredible speed of the spinning dowel generates enough heat, likely several hundred degrees Fahrenheit, to melt the wood's lignin, which then acts as a natural glue when it cools and resolidifies. Razor blade stacking. Ever wonder how they pack those tiny blades? This machine uses a magnetized head to pick up a stack of precisely aligned blades. It's a testament to the incredible precision required for mass-producing everyday items. Stone splitting. This is how they create that beautiful, rustic, split-face stone. Using a hammer and a hardened steel chisel, the mason strikes along the stone's natural grain, or rift, causing a clean, predictable break. Pure skill. Robotic stone milling. From hand tool to high-tech, a robotic arm equipped with a water-cooled diamond wire saw carves a column. The robot can work 24/7 with a precision of thousandths of an inch, creating textures impossible to achieve by hand.